hard to see, but there's huge hail falling. And we're under a tornado advisory. I could hear my roof. Sounded like it was peeling away from the house. So I thought I'd look outside and see what's going on real quick. I got the dogs in the bathroom because I don't have a basement, but there's huge gumball size hail falling. I brought a rug and a towel in for the dogs to lay on, and I don't know how long we're going to be in here. This is the safest place in my house because I don't have a basement. So much rain has come down in the last 10 minutes. My deck is flooded because whoever built it didn't put spacers in between the deck boards. So there's about an inch of water there, and you can see over here my small yard is flooded. There's been so much water, and it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon. It's completely overcast, so doesn't look like there's any break in the clouds. So we're just going to hang tight and see what happens. The wind has died down, so we're going to have to wait. It's saying there's tornado warnings for 3 states, Iowa, Illinois, and Minnesota.
Some of the flooding, and unfortunately we're getting lots of reports of flooding with a lot of those storms that have been producing torrential.
I'm in the Chicago area right here, so hopefully this clearing will hit soon. But it looks like we've got this heading towards us. So
flood warning. We're getting reports in the city of Davenport that's already recently been hit so hard. Remember all the flooding that happened in the downtown area? We're getting reports on 17th Street that there's some flooding and some water that's about 2.5 feet deep.
It might clear up for a little bit, and then we're going to get hit by this big blob, because I'm in this area.
Kane and Will County. This is in northern Illinois. This is the south and west of Chicago. There you can see the box in the area that we're talking about, just to the north of Joliet. Radar here indicating we've seen about an inch of rain in just an hour, and we're...
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
In the Oswego area. This is Joliet, Illinois. That's under that flood advisory with storms moving through.
Today's Memorial Day, and I highly doubt anyone's having a barbecue or a picnic right now. So we're right in the afternoon, and it should be sunny and bright out because it's only the afternoon, but it's kind of dark, and it doesn't look like this rain is going to let up. So this is what we're going through on Memorial Day Monday, and I hope everyone else out there has much better weather. I'll see you next time. Bye.